Hi everyone, I'm Shikala and with me is Sakina and here are a fabulous guests for the evening, Shabir Hussain sir from Tanzania and Nivedita ma'am from all the way from Dubai. So happy to see both of them over here and one more yet to join. That's a surprise. We don't like, what do you say, disclosing the surprises. So let's see. Here we first will go with the bio of Shabir sir. So Shabir Hussain K. Jamnagarwala, he resides in Tanzania. He's been writing poetry for the past 50 years, publishing in school and social magazines. So here, this is a wonderful thing. What I would love to underline and say it once again that 50 years of writing career, it is more than that of our age. Maybe mostly me, Sakina, and Nivedita ma'am, it just crosses our age.
Yes,
Recently,
it's
during,
amazing.
yes, 74th and 71st Independence Day of India, he has been honored by Motivational Scripts and Gujarat Sahitya Academy for the literary excellence with global literary standards. His outstanding poem, Dancing into Our Lives, is featured in many of the poetry magazines, and he has been awarded with Kairat Ratna Parman Medal for the poetic excellence for his poem Kairat, You Are Missed. Yes, Kairat sir, still after being more than 1.5 years, sir has parted us. He was a great support and a wonderful human being, and uh, he was just like a brother to our Shiju sir. So his loss is, what do you say, a kind of unbearable thing for the whole motivational strips family. So a poem on his for his anthology, Poets Are Immortal. Sir has written a very great poem on him, and many of his poems are published in the web magazine by Motivational Steps, that is Bharat Vision. There are many other international platforms and many other international magazines. It is just like countless. You can imagine a poet who's writing from 50 years, the number of magazines he has covered, the number of newspapers he has come in, and number of publications, publishes the other groups or other poetic groups has published his works, and most of his poems reflect reality, life in social circles, peace, conflict, poverty, romance, and behavior. I must say that almost all the parts, all the phases he has covered, very not particular about only one topic or only one uh, agenda. So he has covered almost all the phases of poetry. He's a very special to all writers and poets. Message, the great message, what he wants to convey is you have to persistently and patiently polish yourself by good deeds and action to form the habit of becoming a good Samaritan. Complaining doesn't solve the existing problem. Overcome your difficult period through pious actions, keeping trust in God. So, here, this is a wonderful message. Persistently and permanently, patiently polishing your own self or deeds. This means a lot. That's what I told Nivedita ma'am when we have a elderly person along with us. It's a kind of blessing. Such a great message what we have got in the very beginning of the show. It keeps our show
So much of
more.
wisdom, right? So
Yes,
they come with a lot of wisdom. It's lovely to have always. We've had amazing episodes when we've had senior members joining us. So
yes, a kind of like wisdom along with their blessing. So that makes it the whole difference. So, Shabir sir, we would love to hear some poems of yours.
Before I speak out my poems, I would like to thank Motivational Speaks for giving me access to this Zoom meeting, which is very much noted throughout the world, and everybody will be watching this one. And it is a means for me to go further ahead in my ambition to become a better poet and get better position in my life. At this age, I still look myself as a very young man. I'm still amateur. I still have got to learn a lot here. So I'm very thankful for Shiju sir and the motivation and all of you guys, the administrators and the moderators and the full team who has been very kind to me all these years. I'm only here from 3 to 4 years now, but I feel as if I'm in a family of its own. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
So
sir,
today
for
I would-
considering motivational strips as your own family. Yes, we almost all the poets who has joined motivational strips have the same feel like a own family. We don't have any like bias kind of thing. We all are together to uplift literature.
Something we all resonate with, yes.
Yes.
I remember I wrote my first poem in 1969. At that time I was still in school, in the high school, and I wrote a poem on my class in which I showed everybody what type of a class was it, the students, the teachers, and the class itself. And it was published in a magazine there, the first magazine of the school, and my first publishing poem at that time. So since then, I've never had other opportunities until I came across motivational strips, and I have been pushed all along in my poetry by motivational staff, and also my wife also, she has been persistently after me, become a better person, publish your own poetry book, but it was not entering here all these years. Now it is entering, and I think I'm starting off now.
All the best with
Yes,
that.
sir,
all the best.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
Okay.
I would like to, my first poem for today, it is written on motivational scripts itself.
Okay.
The name of the poem is Our Literary Ship Sails On. Motivational script is progressing in leaps and bounds. It has transformed itself from a few to many thousands from all over the world. A rainbow of all castes, creed, and color, gaining immense fame and popularity everywhere. Distinguished professionals are clamoring for recognition in this forum. The founder, Mr. Shiju Palitazet, and the leadership, the very helpful administrators and the most cooperative moderators are also engrossed in keeping this forum moving forward, that sometimes sleep for them is not that easy. And other times they sacrifice their family and life to maintain the happiness and calm of our most cherished dreams and goals. They keep all the members minutely informed on every occasion. That intellect and instinct keeps us ahead boldly to siphon out the bad elements in our midst and propose right measures for eliminating future malpractices. The comments for our poems posted and the interactions between members are a golden ghost for the fame of our forum. And our bright literary ships sails on through the brightest moments of our times and through the darkest period of our lives. interact and share with the insights from the founder and the management team, and with the zeal of our great hero, all the members. Thank you very much.
Yes,
So
sir.
that was my first poem on motivational
This
speech.
poem is quite relatable to most of us, even Nivedita ji, who is a part of our administration team. So, what do you say? It's a kind of whatever he has written over there is just each and every line speaks the truth. What is motivational steps and how it is the journey from now to here, from that time till here, he is completely depicted over there how the team works. Yes, I would say to everyone, because being a part of motivational steps, I know it very well, and the way how we function is completely different from any other kind of literary organizations, because we have our own framework how to function and what are needed, what are not required. And as you've seen, whenever weeds are to be removed, it's plucked out. And that's with the captaincy of Shiju sir, as you said. And we all support him and all other writers over there. So it completely relates to me, Nivedita ji, Sakina, and remaining all other moderators and administrators of motivational tips. And really thankful for this poem, Shabir sir. Could you read out your second poem before Sakina joins in?
Okay. My second poem, the name is Farewell Act. Act. It is an act. It is always just like an alvida of a woman being parted at the time of her marriage by a father or a mother. The small angelic infant grew up amidst the family's love and care. Yes, the babe was fondled and caressed. We had watched in awe her tantrums, her shrieks, and her cries, and simply loved to watch the flapping of her tender legs and cute hands. In an excited show of happiness and laughter, feeding times were an uphill task, requiring acute patience and understanding. During her young age, the necessity of education and etiquette were a challenging ordeal altogether. And soon she's transferred from that babe into a delicate lady today, and a very matured one also, to start a new life in a new home. Today, we watch her serenely while holding back tears of joy and sadness too, as she stands hand in hand with her future life partner. And our memory goes back to those days when we had held her tiny, soft fingers, and now the tears roll down out of our wet eyes, watching our babe walk away from our lives to start the final stage of her life in her hubby's home. Oh, how heart-wrenching our lives are now, as we realize so sadly how the babe changed into a married bliss so marvelously. Thank you.
Nivedita ji, would you like to comment on sir's poem?
Yes, it is so beautiful that I am a little emotional at the moment.
It was so beautifully written. I mean, like as parents of mothers, and it's something that will make all of us emotional. Just written so beautifully.
Yes, the way how he said that, holding the fingers of a daughter, and the time of vidai of a daughter from her own house to an unknown place. I must say that
Unknown place, correct.
And we we don't know what is going to happen to our life. Even then, we're keeping a, what do you say, a trust on someone who is completely unknown to us. Yes, she is moving to another place. And that pain from the parent's side and from the perspective of a daughter, sir, you are, we say, marvelous, awesome. This poem really,
It's lovely. The best thing about Shabir sir is he will write about people, you know, the way, and I'm actually honored that he wrote one poem for me, and it was
I
just
read it.
unbelievable. Yes, when I launched the book, I was so surprised, and thank you so much. That meant a lot for someone to write. So thank you.
And he
Always
being the other
welcome.
gender, he can relate to a woman's feelings. That is such an amazing thing. So he spoke like a father. He spoke like a partner. What a beautiful expression.
Yes, I was
Thank
just
you,
very
looking
much.
at your expression image that you saw. That's the reason I
It
asked
is
you.
all God gifted. It is just God gifted. I am just a medium here. Through my poems, I want to reach out to all the people. What is really happening in the real world in our lives?
True. Srikala?
Yes, Sakina, we can now go with the bio of Nivedita ji.
Yes, sure. So a warm welcome to Nivedita Roy. She is a teacher by profession. Her education qualifications include an MA in English Literature and BEd. Presently, she teaches in an American curriculum school in the Kingdom of Bahrain. She pursues writing as a profession, as a passion. She is a bilingual poetess come author. Her first solo book, Gallery de Heart, released on the 15th December 2020. A Hindi poetry book, Komal Ehsaas, released on the 2nd October 2021. She has also co-authored 7 anthologies since May 2020 till present. She is the recipient of the Indian Independence Day Literary Honors. So it's amazing we have 2 literary honor winners today. And by the largest writers forum, and she is the moderator for the Bahrain office for the motivational strips. She has been awarded the Pravasi Bharatiya Sri Sahitya Samman by the Perfect Life Events and Management, Gujarat. She hosts the book talk shows from published authors and poetry recital sessions on different platforms. She had a short stint as a radio jockey in the Hindi FM in Bahrain. So a warm welcome to Nivedita ji, and we're really excited to hear your poems, and all the best for your book that just released. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Congrats, Nivedita Roy. May you prosper more and more, and we look forward for your second book also.
Thank you.
Komal
Shabir sir. Thank
Ehsaas.
you.
Komal Ehsaas. The book name is Komal Ehsaas. You can get it from Amazon and all other online stores, and the wonderful book cover, the beautiful Niviji is over there.
And she keeps putting up pictures of everyone holding a book, which is really nice.
Yes,
to
yes,
see.
it's really nice.
Yes.
That really speaks about
I can
Niviji.
say, yeah. So it's just the love of the people. I would first like to thank Sakina for all the beautiful words. Thank you, Srikala, for inviting me, both of you. And thank you for the honor of sharing the stage right now with the 2 of you and our most honored Shabir sir. So with his blessings, and I also would like to thank Motivational Strips. I'm quite new, but so soon they have just welcomed me like the very own daughter who Shabir sir talked about. So, so that was such a beautiful feeling, being trusted by people, and then suddenly you all become like a family. And when I'm not even in the country.
True. That's the best thing about the motivational strips. All of us are from different parts of the world, and we've never met, but still it's like a family. There is no other word for it. It's a family.
So encouraging. And I
just want to say a few words over there, Sakina. When we had our 3rd anniversary, and it was held through this one, what you say, Zoom meeting. we had to
Uh-huh.
conduct 7 consecutive Zoom meetings, 40 minutes each, 7 consecutive meetings,
Yes,
starting
yes.
from 8 o'clock to night 1 o'clock. This was our celebration. So what
Yeah.
else can say
Wow.
about a family?
40 minutes
Srikala, but
just
all
lovely.
this work that you are doing, you are looking much more younger and younger as the years go by.
And Srikala was sending links after links after links.
Oh,
So
As I was
many.
coordinating, one link after the other, one link after the other. So it was so, what do you say, a kind of enjoyment for all of
exciting.
us.
I can imagine.
Yes.
I can imagine. It was
So
so
now
beautiful.
we love to listen to Nivedita ma'am's poems.
Yes.
So I chose a poem from my first book, Gallery de Hearts.
Who
So
likes you?
it is,
Who
yeah,
likes
it's
you?
am I audible, Srikala, Sakina? You can hear
Yes,
me?
Shabir sir,
Yes, we
if it's okay if you mute.
There is a small mic button. It's
Shri, whoever is holding the Zoom can also do it. I do it with my children all the time. You could also do it. Maybe he finds it difficult to, yeah. Thank you. So the title of my poem is My Thoughts. My thoughts are my handbook, a manuscript that updates itself. Each page is a realistic fiction, kaleidoscope of my life inked with emotions, words brimming with sensations. Stored there are many twisted tales, randomly hidden memories, attic filled with gibberish that only I can decipher. Some chapters tickle the funny bone, others may leave you teary-eyed. You will peruse a real imagery. My life captured in words. Written there are moments magical, saga of my journey hitherto. I still have some empty pages to dwell on as life offers new mysteries to solve. Thank you.
So beautiful, so beautiful. That's about like life, how it goes. It is a mixture of each and every kind of emotions. Can be happy sometimes, can make you feel like what you say, teary-eyed, and sometimes it's so horrible and sometimes so tense. A mixture, what you say, a potpourri of emotions.
Potpourri of emotions.
So well expressed, Viji. Loved it.
and I love the way she has worded. It's so like delicately put in. Not too many words, but a lot to says a lot. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you so much. You're so kind, so kind.
Yes. You can proceed with your next.
Next one. Okay. This is also from my book, and this talks about the gender inequality. So all the people who are married would be able to relate to it. Equality in inequality. It's also surreal when we debate on gender equality. It's a well-crafted utopia. She and he are walking at the same pace. Are they? She is yet to finish her chores before she leaves for work. He will yell for tea as he jerks away his quill and lies awake. His words condemn crime against women. His eyes bore into all other women. Crying for justice on the roads, giving your women mom, sister, wife workloads. If only his eyes saw the soul and not her body. If only his thoughts were not so shoddy. Women in your family must drape their cleavage, while your imagination for every other female has a leverage. Oh man, gear up your thoughts, clean up your acts. Thy woman watch your actions and not your charades. Thy women watch your actions and not your charades. She is walking ahead of you, not with you. Shrouded in your inflated ego, you missed to match her stride. This is my expression about inequality as we talk of equality. Thank you, ladies, and thank you, Shabir sir.
Well,
That
sir,
is a
I
strong
would love
message.
that you can comment on Nidhi's poem right now. So if we speak, it will be like supporting only the women team.
Ladies part.
Yes, Shabir sir, we would like you to unmute yourself and give us your opinion.
Sir, you have to
You have to
that
unmute
button.
yourself. The mic, the little mic.
Not yet.
Okay,
Yeah.
now I can.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So your both poems are very, very beautifully written and very nicely spoken also at the same time. It really shows us how much you are into the poetry field itself, so that you don't have to write words. I think the words are just being written down by itself, and you're just gifted for writing beautiful poetry. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Abir sir. That means a lot. So sweet, so sweet.
Yes, Sakina.
What is your opinion on her second poem about the gender inequality?
Yeah,
From a
it is
man's
part.
perspective.
Yeah, the man's naturally the qualities and the inequalities are bound to happen. But the thing is that the way you have written it down, it looks so fairer on the feminine sex. Really, I give you okay for that also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really, an amazing way how she have said about it happens in most of the families, right? But very rare people try to express that out. Yes, in all the strife when both are together, then it's called as equality. It it have to start from the very young age where a parent teach her children how to, yes, daughter, if she is doing some work, let your son also do some work.
Also do.
Yes, it's that I have seen many of
Yeah.
Niviji's functions. I'm not just going personal. I've seen the functions that she attend. They both, son and daughter, share their joy in an equal manner. And I hope the same will be there in the house also. Sharing the responsibilities, sharing joys and responsibilities in an equal way will make it.
Yeah.
It has to be started from home, not from outside. It's not like any feminist party or anybody has to tell that, yes, ladies, you have to fight for this, you have to fight for that. No, it's from a mother and father who has to teach their children. This is the way how you have to go through. Then no need of
Yeah.
raising slogans or going any what do you say parties for separate parties for that, right? So very very
Correct.
wisely written, Nidhi, very wisely written.
This thinking was there mostly in India only, mostly. Throughout the world, in India, there was much that the ladies were not being given proper opportunities for forging ahead. And then in Afghanistan also, it was the same thing. But now things are changing a lot. There are so many women politicians and women ambassadors everywhere that, well, we know that women are a power in the world, and then they should be given equal opportunities just like the men.
So true. So we would love to introduce Nishat to all of you. Nishat Jabin is an Indian poet holding a master's degree in English literature. She works as a teacher in a very reputed school in the heart of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. She is an avid reader of classical and metaphysical poetry. yet her style of writing is differently prominent. Her poems have been published on various platforms and appeared in many anthologies, received fondness thoroughly. She is a fervent reader and an avid reader. She likes to spend her free time creating the craft of poetry and art. She believes in a belief that the relation between creator and nature relies on humbleness, neither to exaggerate nor to diminish from a constant and moderate root of love. And she believes that her children are the most divine poems she has delivered ever. She looks forward to publish her poetry book very soon. She resides with her family in the capital city of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, and that's so wonderful about you, Nishat, that the words you spoke, that your children are the most beautiful poetry.
Yes.
A great dedication a
Thank you
mother
so
can
much.
give to her children. So truthful.
Yeah,
Wonderful words by you,
thank you.
Nishat.
Thank you, Sri. Thank you so much. Means a lot, really. From you guys, I'm listening this one means truly appreciated. And please, again, I'm asking you same thing. Forgive me for my mistakes, please. Okay. First, I will listen from you all. Then I will get the idea how to
Yes,
proceed. And
it's that Niviji and Shabir sir has recited their poems. Now we would love to hear your poems, Nishat.
okay, sure, Sri Kailash.
Yeah.
Okay, the title of my poem is Origamis. Chiseled a name on a pink pane in the legion's vein. Honestly, my soul delves in the ink to festoon the creepers. Borrowed the hues from the fantasy queen. Adorn the decor accordingly, a quality of king. Sketched each line with a measure of adoration. The hefty and hectic hour of action, just gone in vain, when you decided abruptly to raise the blooms from the heart. I'm spirited like you now, playing with the heap of papers, drawings of your name with the blood of eyes vanished gone. Let bygones be gone, let bygones be bygones, and do allow me to labor on the pinky papers to make some creative art of useful something. See, I'm surrounded by the rosy origamis around me and flying them forcibly and one by one. Hope guys you like my poem and understand. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
So nice, so nice. And we have Niviji.
Very
She will first speak about your poem.
Yes,
Niviji,
this is
yeah.
Yeah. Can I?
Yes, Niviji.
Yes.
yeah, please.
Yeah. So first of all, Nishat, I am your neighbor. So it's good to see you now on the Zoom. I am in Bahrain.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes,
But that's
right now. So we are just 50 minutes away from each other.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. And another thing, your words show what a innocent and what a clean heart you have. The poem is written right from your heart, and you don't have to worry. You are an amazing poetess. So why do you think that nobody will like it? And origami is something again so close to heart. Like now there are 4 teachers here on this stage. Shri is a teacher. I am a teacher. You are a teacher. I'm not sure about Sakina. 3 teachers. Okay. Okay. So origami is something I used to do when I was in Lucknow and I taught in a school. And that was one thing I did almost for 8 years. And the way you have described origami, I have never heard anybody describe origami and relate it to emotions and talk about it.
Yeah,
Nishat, how beautiful.
Yes,
Thank
true.
you so
How
much, ma'am.
beautiful. The way you have, like in origami, you can only use it's a Japanese art of paper folding. You can only use a square paper, and how each fold is so important if you want to create a certain kind of a figure or a image out of it. And how she has correlated it with emotions and her feelings. So beautiful, Nishat. I'm so glad
Thank you
I'm
so much.
able to hear you.
Being a math teacher, I can correlate only regarding what you say. We used to teach only for teaching math. But
Matt.
the way how she has correlated, as you said, is completely really amazing. A wonderful thought.
Amazing.
Class apart.
And she did
Yes.
Thank you
recite
so
it
much.
very
Thank you so
well.
much.
Hmm.
Nishad, we would love to listen to one more of your poetry.
Sure, Sri. I will search something very small because already I gave you.
Small or big doesn't matter. We love to hear.
I was not ready.
It's okay.
Sorry, guys, please, I'm searching.
Mhm.
Okay. This is title of the poem is Cowden Clark. A friend. My soul yearns to rise from the aching pit. It is dying ere the death on the cruel, envious dealings. My waning soul searching for a Cowden Clark of John Keats. This
Such
is
a
short poem I
short
gave.
one. Short one, yes.
This is very short.
Short,
Yeah.
but what you say, a wonderful one, very skillfully crafted, because short poems, making short poems is very difficult. You can write for 20, 30 lines, but writing short
Yes,
poems is a
Writing
very
short
difficult task. And you've done it very wonderfully.
thank you,
Wow.
Sri. Thank you. Everyone finished the recitation. I was the left.
Yes.
Oh my God,
Yes,
I
yes.
missed really.
No, really. Yeah, so Shakir sir, I don't think so that he will be joining us back. So let me take this opportunity, this small moment to thank you all from different parts. Again, India, Tanzania, Sri Lanka, Riyadh, Abu Dhabi, all the places together. It's a mixture, as you said, family. Now the real sense of family will be seen in motivational scripts, that we are all from different parts of the world, and the way how just sitting around a coffee table and speaking to each other. So
Each other.
thank you so
Absolutely.
much, Nivedita ji.
Today's episode
Nishad.
had a lot of poems on emotions.
Yes.
How Shabir sir spoke about his daughter and
Hmm.
sorry,
Nivedi.
Nivedita.
yes, sorry. It's like a bit of a tongue twister. So there was a lot of a few moments that made us emotional as well. So it was
Yes,
a lovely episode today. Yes, a lot of
So-
emotions.
We would love to thank everyone, our viewers, for watching us. Kindly listen to each of them, because these are the wonderful moments from what do you say, their time which they have spent with us. So please watch this show. Thank you.
So much.